the woman that is the spokesman for the White House.
Oh.
Where are you going?
Oh my God! What was he doing? Boy, it took down the light.
Hagen Brown, who's also African American, shot Smith a second time in the chest. The suspect was already on the ground, unarmed and with his hands near his head. Before the close, U.S. stocks were higher, with the Dow up 59 points, S&P gaining 8, NASDAQ was up 20 points. I'm Lakshmi Singh, NPR News.
Support for NPR comes from NPR stations. Other contributors include American Jewish World Service, working for 30 years to end poverty.